Awesome to have you back in this channel. Today, I want to show you how to write articles on Opera News Hub and editing, formatting, adding images, links, bolding text, adding headings, thumbnails, making tags on Opera News. So, log into your Opera News Hub account. Upon logging in, this is how the platform looks. Now, here on Create, that is the button that will redirect you to where you will start writing. Then library, you will get the articles that you have published, and on monetization, how much your articles made. So to start writing, tap on Create. Right on here, you can add title and the content. But before I add article right there, let's first understand this H1, H2, all these features right here. Okay, here we have. So on number 1, there in that place you will add your title. Then H1, which is represented here as number 2, it works same like title. So I would advise you that you don't use it. Then H2, that is subtopics or subheadings. B represent bold. Then here on number 5 is where you will add images. Number 6 is links. Number 8 represent clearing changes. If you want to delete some text, as in you mark them so you want to delete them, you tap number 8. Number 9 is undo. Then number 10 is redo. Now let's start writing our content back here. Okay, here is our title: the top 5 richest president in Africa. Let me format it. Right. Then to add content, editing my content here will take a lot of time. So I recommend you get to another software or another app and write your article, then copy paste it right here. Let's start formatting our article here. So we can number this one like 1, President Ali Bongo as number 2. So to add image, you first put your cursor in the place where you want to add the image. Like here, I want to add the image just after the president of Morocco. Okay, here. Then tap the gallery icon after B for bold. Then browse. It will redirect you to your phone gallery. Now we have our article here with text and images. So we can start using the H2 headings. Right? Let's number this one and let's make it a H2 heading. So you can select the text, then tap on H2. Then it will be a subheading. Again, let's do this to President Ali Bongo. Tap H2. Right. To add bold, we can select the text here. I'm just selecting random text to show you. then tap on B. As you can see, it is now bolded. You can add as much as you need. And now we want to add some links. To add a link, just select on the text where you want the link to be displayed. Like here, I'm selecting Mason in Paris. Then click the icon next to images. As you can see, it is requiring me to input some text. To get any link, you can select any article, relevant article in Opera or Chrome, and on the top here you can find the links. Like here, you can copy this one and use, but in this part just want to use google.com. Like this, and then hit save. Now you can see the color has changed. That means if you click on it, it will redirect you to Google. Again, next, to add video to your Opera article, just head over to YouTube or Facebook and copy the link of the video. Then you can put like this one. Then click on the icon next to links. As you can see, it is prompting us to enter video URL. So here you can copy paste the link you get from YouTube or Facebook. Then you click save. Right. Now to submit your article to Opera Review and adding some thumbnail so that it become attractive to the eyeball of readers, click on next on top right corner of your screen. Then to add a thumbnail to your Opera article, click on edit thumbnail, the plus sign, then let it load, then select, then click save. As you can see, it is now updated here. Then to add topics help your article to be curated further. As in, it helps Opera algorithm understand what your article is all about. So like this one is a richest president, you can add text like lifestyle. So to make it a tag or a topic, tap on the arrow on the bottom right part of your screen. Right. So that one is now a tag or a topic. You can add up to 5, such as president, wealth, country, and so on. Now, at this point, you can decide whether to draft your article or submit it for Opera Review for it to be published. If you want to draft it, just click on the draft button here on the screen or the submit button, and it will be submitted for Opera Review and eventually get published. Now, that is the guide on how you can edit and format the Opera news articles